Welcome to Nagaland TV. Sobman lagawas. Viewers, ide ami han new chumgidima village te ase. Aru ide CFC laga jundu short time han jana sidula full form gushigile do Common Facility Center for Banana Fiber Extraction laga inaugurate hobole ase guishe. Iduke inaugurate kora laga bi ar project ki ana laga body bi Ministry of Donor Development of Northeastern Region aru Nectar khan pra miligile in collaboration with the entrepreneur associates jun Nagaland pra ase tahan pra itu inaugurate korobole ase guishe. Idu project laga faida কি হবলে আছে আর এটো লাগা সিএফসি লাগা উপর কিনকা করনে ধান কাম করনে যাবলে আছে আর কি হবলে আছে এটো বড় জানকারি লবলে আমি ভিতরে একবার আজিলা প্রোগ্রাম অ্যাটেন্ড করে আপনাকে জানাই দেব
A round of applause. And next, Professor Akali Sema, Department of Horticulture, Steiner TFC. Round of applause, please. Mr. Nichite Dulo, CEO, The Entrepreneurs Associates. Round of applause. And Mr. Doshike Y. Sema, former Minister, Government of Nagaland. Come and felicitate Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma, Director General, Nectar. Applause, please. As we begin this auspicious event, let us invoke the blessings for its success. May I now invite our dignitary. To give us an overview of the vision, objectives and progress of the project, I now invite Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma, Director General of Nectar, to deliver the welcome address and a presentation on the PM Divine Initiative. Sir, you may please come and take the stage.
Good afternoon to all of you. Respected Sri Chanchal Kumarji, he is joining online mode. Secretary Donor. Distinguished guest on the dais, Dr. Chupa, Chairman Marcofed, other distinguished guests, my dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. I should, before I say something about this project, I would like to just mention few story behind you, how this whole project has been conceptualized and how we took it up. So it started long time back, and in the in 2022, in fact, it was 21-22 budget session, the first PM-driven scheme was announced by Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharamanji. The 9 project was sanctioned during that time, and out of this 9, 2 projects are from Nectar. So this is one of the projects which is supposed to be implemented in 12 different places in Northeast. Nagaland 2. One of this is Chumukitima, another one is in another place near Kohima, and there will be 4 in Assam, 2 in Agartala, and 1 in Mizoram, 1 in another one in, so in that way there will be 12 different plants. So I'm very happy to announce that the first plant on this project, PM Divine project, is being inaugurated here today, going to inaugurate here today. The whole concept of this project is to create wealth from waste. And all of we, particularly Northeast, we know that we are basically we are just taking the fruits out of the banana, nothing else, a banana tree. And the farmers are getting lots of difficulties even to throw the banana tree here. And probably all of you know that the Asia's largest banana plantation places are there in Northeast only. So where also we are going to have a plant. So the main concept of this particular project is to produce 3 common products. One is fiber, banana fiber. Second one is liquid fertilizer. And third one is biomass. Along with that, we are having a plan to introduce few value-added products. This value-added product comes in the form of either yarn, you know that how it is important in the textile industries, or we can go for the e-textile, you can go for the something more on smart textile also related to this. The second one, value-added product, which is going to be very the path-breaking in the industry, which is called vegan leather. We know that how the importance of the leather in the industry and how the market value of the leather in the sector basically. So, and the third, another value-added products may be we are talking in the form of sanitary pads, because we know that banana fiber or banana tree is consisting of highly antibacterial material. So this antibacterial are being used for many different products. So one of the products we are talking about this sanitary pads. Some of the initiative related to this have been already done. So we'll try to involve this in the production of sanitary pad in one of the plants. So this is what the idea about this whole project, and I hope that with this kind of infrastructure that is being developed under this project, it will make a huge impact to the society as such, because it is going to give not only direct livelihood but also some indirect livelihood also to the farmers from which we can bring all the raw materials. And as we all know, the places that we have considered for this plant is very much well defined and meticulously done, because we have already identified these places in the form that where the plant of the banana is maximum. Also, if you go around this Chumukadima, near about Chumukadima, you will see lots of wild banana trees on the way. This wild banana can also be used for this fiber and other products related to what we have been talking. So we are basically, it will not only give in terms of product, but it is going to give a huge impact to the farmers who can give the raw materials, which is also, they can also earn a lot of money out of that. Along with this, under this PM Divine scheme, we are as a Nectar family, we are very much grateful to the Ministry of Donor, because they have also given us one more this project, which is called Promotion of Scientific Organic Farming in entire Northeast. So their idea is that we need to create 250 farm labs. The concept is totally new, and each farm lab is connected. It has to be connected to 100 farmers. That means we are talking about 25,000 farmers. Each farm lab will have all required the requirement of initiate farming, organic farming in the clusters. So we will have all the facilities over there, and will be done connecting the product of this or the farm lab, how the farm lab has to be converted from the normal land to the organic land. We will have some soil testing kit that also we have taken from some the Indian lab. The technology transfer we have done, and we have initiated the manufacturing of that in our own campus. So that will be provided free of cost to the farmers, and in a span of 6 months to 1 year, we will try to give them a certificate, third-party certifications for their land to be converted in the organic land. So the product that is coming out of this land would be considered as an organic product. So initially the certification that we are going to provide, that will help them to take the product to the market, in the local market, that is called Indian market, that is what called certification in the form of PGS certification. And later on, we are also thinking about next step to export the product, which would be again providing by certification called NPOP certification, through which they can take the product to the global market. And along with this, we are also digitizing everything related to these farm customers or farmers through some app that has been developed by ourselves, and which will be again marketed through digitization processes. For that, all necessary homework that is required to be done, we have already initiated, and that's also going on. And I'm very happy to share with you that I think we have almost around 20 farm labs out there in Nagaland. Initially, it was supposed to be done only in Assam, Tripura, and Meghalaya. Later on, it was decided that we will take it to all the other northeast states. So out of this 20 farm lab, we are going to do it in Nagaland. And the few of the farm labs are doing very good job. Many of the farmers are here out of this farm lab. They have come here. They know that what are the activities they are doing, and they also know that we are going to connect them to the market. So that's the whole concept of this new project, PM-Divine project. Along with this, as an actor, we have been doing many other projects. I would like to request all of you, few of the projects we have been doing in Nagaland. You can see output of this project in the form of stall that is there in the back side of this hall. They have come up. We have done a very good successful project on honey with the Meghalaya Honey and Bee Mission Board, and that is also, we are very closely connected to them. I am very happy that the representative from NBHM is here with us, and we have been with them for the long time. So, and the beauty of this place, and basically Northeast, is that you have everything here. You have everything here naturally. We have all requirement, but only thing is that we need to know how to extract all this. So extraction is up to us. So all of us, we are basically act as a catalyst to make it possible. Some of the government fund that we are trying to trap here, bring it here, so that we can help you to extract all the raw materials which is here, and then they go to the market in a big way. So I just wish and want that with the kind of the think tank that we have in Northeast, with the kind of raw materials that we have in Northeast, with the kind of simplicity in the persons that we have in Northeast, we can do a huge, we can make a huge change and contribute a lot to the country's economy. That's my gut feelings is there. We can do a lot, and I think without you, we cannot make it possible. Let's make Northeast a Atmanirbhar Northeast. As our Honorable Prime Minister always talking about Viksit Bharat 2047. So let us proudly say that we can be also part of this Viksit Bharat campaign of the Honorable Prime Minister. So let us do that, and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone, and respected Sir Chanchal Kumar, Secretary, Ministry of Donor, who's watching us online, and our guest of honor, Dr. M. Chuba Ao, Chairman, Marcofed, Government of Nagaland, respected Sir Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma, DG Nectar, and all the dignitaries on the dais, and everyone present here, and special acknowledgement to my friend Dolo from Entrepreneur Associate. Thank you, the organizers, for inviting me to this program. And in fact, it is an honor for us to be coming here, especially because I'm also very much keen into this banana fiber extraction process. And I'm handling a project called Steiner, that is Science and Technology Intervention in Northeast Region, which is funded by the Ministry of Donor through Northeast Council. And so we have the hub and spoke model, where hub is the NIST in Johor, and we are one of the spoke in our campus. So we have various technology, but out of various technology that we tried in all the states of, all parts of districts of Nagaland, we find that banana fiber was like one of the best accepted technology, and we were in fact very looking forward to expanding, and we have been giving a small banana fiber extraction to some self-help groups or some youth in different districts of Nagaland, and we see that there's a huge potential for this banana fiber extraction. So just few days back when I saw this program that such kind of facility is going to be here, and then this is going to be by Nectar, implemented by Nectar, and also implemented by Entrepreneur Associate. Both of these organizations I have worked with, we have worked with, and we know how they are, so we are so delighted that such a facility is coming to our state, and also in a place where there are lots of, as our DG already mentioned, there are a lot of wild bananas, and we have seen that the fiber of the wild bananas are equally very good quality. So we are very delighted that such facility is coming, and this is going to be remunerative business for our state, for our farmers. So I think this facility that we see, we have not yet gone through the whole thing, but this is a very high capacity, and the demand for the banana fiber product, value-added products, because we also produce some of the value-added products, and when we when we contact with some buyers, then they want in bulk, but we are not able to give that much. So with this kind of facility, I'm sure you're going to produce a huge amount, which is going to bring a lot of remuneration to our farmers, and this is going to be a good business model. And with Mr. Dolo on the driving seat, I'm sure that he's going to take this facility far ahead. So just want to thank the organizer for inviting and wishing this common facility and everybody involved here the our best wishes, and we hope that in future we will be able to see more and more being expanded. Thank you so much.
Respected Chairperson, respected Director General Dr. Arun Kumar Sarma, respected Dr. M. Chuba, National Vice President, BJP, and Chairman Marco Fit, Dr. Professor Akali, Nagaland Agriculture University, and the promoter, the Managing Director of Nagaland Entrepreneur Associate, the officers of Nectar, Reverend Pastor, and all the delegates present here. First of all, I extend my profound gratitude to Dr. Arun Kumar Sarma, the Director General of Nectar, for his proactive I've been observing this Nectar over the last 2 years, and I have personally seen many vibrant activities, many vibrant projects are taking place in Northeast India. It is impressive to see this common service facility center of banana fiber and byproducts. And I understand this is based on the locally available raw material. And also I understand that this is pocket-friendly products. This is used by all the farmers, by all the high officials as well. And this is also Unlike plastic products, it is friendly to the environment. This will maintain the equilibrium of coexistence of our environment. It is a holistic approach, and it is chosen wisely that banana can grow anywhere. It can be grown by all the farmers. Without any much maintenance, it can grow. Dimapur climate is very good for banana. The site selection is also very good. The selection of the promoter is also very good. And with this facility, I really appreciate that just in no time, this has taken place. I think this has completed ahead of schedule of time. I appreciate, and I would like to thank the Director General Nectar and also officers of Nectar present here, that in Northeast, since you are well versed with the environment, with the mentality of the people, with the religion of the region, you are the fittest to develop, and you are developing for the economic growth, social growth of this region. Thank you. With these words, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Invite our guest of honor, Dr. M. Chuba Au, Chairman, Marcofet, Government of Nagaland, to address the gathering. Sir, you may please come and take the time.
Good afternoon. Respected Chairperson, our most respected Donor Secretary Chanchal Kumarji, though he's not present here, but we can able to hear his things, which is through the digital media they can express. And most respected our DG Arun Kumarji, Nectar, and here guest of honor, our former Minister Tosheheji, and our here Dr. Akali Sema, Horticulture Department, and most entrepreneur is Nuchuto Tolo, plus here the dignitaries who are sitting in the dais, and my MD from Marcofet, and the staff from the Nectar, and other 8 villages who are surrounded these villages with the chairman and the respective villagers who came to attend this program. I'm very much thankful to you, all of you, and especially respected pastor who came and graced the occasion. Thank you very much. I have heard from all the technical aspect from the Dr. Arun Kumarji, who has highlighted very much about the technical aspect of this industry and how these people can enjoy, people can make use of it through this Nectar, other programs, other schemes. When he said scheme, I remember 2003, during my election campaign in Mokokchung, was allotted me to look after one of the guests from the center. His name is Minister of State Anna Saheb Patel. He was a Minister of State of Rural Development. I took him to Mokokchung. From Mokokchung, there is a place from main road to 18 kilometers inside called Pangsang. Very interior place. All the 18 kilometers stretch was from downside to upper side, full of wild bananas. He told me that time, 2003, Chuba, why don't you start this banana stream and banana fiber industry here, which I never heard before. This kind of technology I never heard. But when he said, simply I was listening, yes, but my mind was not there. Today when I could see that practically this banana stem and fiber industry here through our Nectar and the Ministry of Donors who help us to build up this one, it's a marvelous. It's a very wonderful things which we have seen a kind of dream come true. So you just correct me. Under the dynamic leadership of Narendra Modi, there is you correct me, maybe it's a all one. 208 individual schemes are there. All the schemes which we are not be able to know, even myself also do not know. But people said there is more than 208 schemes are launched by the Honorable Prime Minister for development of the people and development of this called value additions program. Now you have seen lots of bananas here, wild bananas, never used. Our forefather also never used anything. But still then it is now the technology, advancement of technology, we have come up and we are trying to give a value addition. Different kind of products are coming up. Even you can go for this pineapple, from not pineapple, pineapple leaves, you can also use a kind of fiber also, I am told. But I have not seen. These kind of things are coming up. Even bamboo technologies is coming up. Like that, lots of technologies are coming up. Unfortunately, our state, I do not know what is the mindset of our people. You see, our peoples are little bit a kind of, I should say pride that we are here. We are very much pride. But that pride will not feed you stomach. We need to earn. We need to do works. Example, if you go to Arunachal, I am told that more than 31 central government offices are there. More than 31. From 31 offices, we learn the government schemes, government project. But here in Nagaland, I could see more than 10. I do not know what is happening. Long back, around 25 years back, in 7 Mile, there was a ONGC explorers are there. What goes wrong, I do not know. This was shifted to Jorhat. The Jorhat is the place, divisional office are there. So like that, if we don't welcome central office here, we will not learn. That is what the mindset of our people should be changed. Unless we change, we cannot develop. That is why I am just requesting all of you, those days gone. But these days, we have to adopt such the things which is very much acquainted with us, and we have to explore, we have to implement this one in days to come. I am very much thankful to our Mujota who has initiated this project to come up, and very much wonderfully things are coming up, and I know that the place which is raw materials will be not be a problem. It is abundantly available, and productions will be come up very soon. And with the help of our Dr. Arun Kumarji, even Marcofet, we are also going to have second phase in Okha district, so that very soon we are going to implement this one. This will be the second project we are coming up. So we need a cooperation. People who come to us, without the cooperation we cannot come. It's sort of request you, all of you cooperate together, and this program should be fulfilled. Thank you very much.
It's an honor and a privilege for me to be here today speaking virtually on the Common Center under the PM Divine funded Nectar project, a value chain on utilization of banana pseudo stem for value added products. Today marks not just the launch of a physical infrastructure, but a vital step towards inclusive and innovation-driven economic empowerment in Nagaland and in the NER region in general. This project is a testimony to the transformative potential of sustainable development models that are community-led, resource-efficient, and value-generating. I'm happy to learn that Nectar is engaged in identifying techno-economic gaps prevalent in Northeast and then designing solutions in consultation with various stakeholders to give a fillip to the socio-economic activities and to generate livelihood potential through induction of proven technologies, and that too indigenous in various sectors for the benefit of the state. Banana is widely cultivated across the Northeast, but its pseudo stem, once considered agricultural waste, is now proving to be a source of economic opportunity. This Common Facility Center is part of a multi-state initiative that seeks to utilize every part of the banana plant, from fiber and sap to its central core, for value creation. Thanks to the work done by Nectar and other stakeholders, we now have commercially ready technologies for extraction of banana fiber for non-woven fabrics, liquid organic nutrients from banana sap, edible items using the banana core, handmade and quality papers from fiber waste. This project allows us to turn waste into wealth, and to do so in a manner that is sustainable, eco-friendly, and socially inclusive. Going beyond this project, the mandate of the Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region is to mainstream science and technology as central pillars of development journey of the Northeast. Premier institutes such as IIT Guwahati, NIT Nagaland, NIT Mizoram, NERIST, and other organizations must be coming together to form a regional cooperative development model in which we can use technology for the benefit of the state. We can ask for proof of concept projects which can demonstrate low cost, high impact solutions for water conservation, post-harvest processing, forest-based livelihoods, and tourism infrastructure. Using such institutions, we can also have living labs in villages where students and researchers can co-develop and test innovations directly in association with the communities. We can also ask local technology entrepreneurship hubs to be created, which will enable youth to convert research into startups. For example, biodegradable packaging from banana fiber, using AI for crop health diagnostics, infrastructure. We have seen that there are many initiatives that can be replicated or scaled up in Northeast, such as banana fiber biocompost, sensor-based monitoring systems, the smart agri-tech projects. These are projects which make extensive use of technologies that have been developed in association with the local engineering colleges and research institutes. Time has come for us to leverage digital platform and data for inclusive growth. We are also, from the ministry, investing in data-driven projects to create platforms which will monitor, evaluate, and optimize developmental projects and interventions in real time. We have created a Purvottar Vikas Setu portal which integrates geotag data for better project monitoring. We have any transport monitoring system which will help streamline interstate logistics and movement. We have been using PM Gati Shakti portals which has a number of layers for optimized decision making in selection of the projects. These systems must now feed into academic research and incubation programs, enabling local students to build solutions that directly address developmental pain points.
I'm Dr. Colleen Aze, who is an advisor for Technical Nectar. Sir, I want to ask a few questions regarding this project, Kinga Guna Aishe, and how this is going to benefit particularly the people of Nagaland and the farmers.
Okay, thank you to the Nagaland channel for giving this opportunity to say a few words about this project. Actually, this project is under the PM Divine initiative project. this central ministry project, which we are implementing at Nectar. So the cost of the project is 65 crores. We will be building infrastructure across the northeast. Some 12 units of this infrastructure will be built across the northeast. So this is the first CFC that has been inaugurated under this project. So this project will be run by the local people, by the entrepreneurs who are having the experience of extracting banana fiber. You can see all the machines that have been developed from the mainland India. It has been brought here through Nectar. Actually, this type of machine has not been there. This type of integrated machine, we call it integrated machine because initially you have only single machine. But through Nectar now we are connecting all these machines so that the amount of work that can be done will be huge. So in the same way, we can see the cutter there also. There are around 7 to 8 cutters there, which is very fast. So this type of initiatives that have been taken by the Ministry of Donor through Nectar, it will help in generating more employment to the local people in Nagaland, as well as the entire northeast. You know, the banana fiber, the banana, after we take out the fruits, the stem usually we throw it away. There are some people who has pig farm, they will use it as food source for the pig. But the 99% of them will
basically the fiber of banana was totally unknown for the people.
Yeah.
So how the fiber that we could have extracted earlier also, but now the actor and the government is trying to.
Technology was there from before, but in Northeast,
it's not in the part of North.
Yeah, in Northeast, it's not that very popular, you can say. There are some people who are doing it, but not on that sustainable mode. But Nectar has brought this with a very integrated infrastructure, with the housing, the electricity, the cutter, the grinder, and besides this, you have so many products that will come out. Number one is the fiber, and number two is the biomass, which can be used as manure, and number three is the liquid liquid fertilizer. So this the banana fiber contains 95% of the liquid. So lots of liquid will be coming out from the extraction that can be made use. Then other products are like the vegan leather also can be utilized through this fiber extracted. And other products like the core of the banana stem also can be utilized for making candies, then bakery. So lots of things can be utilized. So nothing is wasted.
Okay, also can you tell us, as it will generate an employment, so there is any certain training period for whoever wants to come and join to initiate in these things? So is there a training from things?
Yeah. The training components are there in this project. So the implementing agency also will be connecting to the farmers. They will give them training. Mostly on plantation actually, because here it requires some skill people to do this, because it involves some technical activities. So the main purpose is, instead of throwing the stem, let the farmers brought it here so that they get the cost of the stem instead of throwing.
Okay. Even I don't know whether you are not allowed or not to mention about what will the prices based on the ways that we're talking about now.
I think that will depend on the availability in the area. If it is easily available, I think they are taking 2 to 3 rupees per stem. So it depends on transportation also. But this is a very, a very good area. The highway is just opposite of this building, and you have lots of empty land. You can do lots of cultivation. So if the if the raw material is near to this CFC, it will be a bit cheaper. But if we take it from, say, very far, transportation cost will definitely be there. Yeah.
I have another person to speak on, how this project will benefit. Basically, I've already asked, but I want to know it from organic. Yes, so organic products that are going to be generated from the banana stem and different things. So how do we go?
Actually, thank you Nagaland TV. Under PM Divine, actually we have received two mega projects. One is banana pseudostem and another is promotion of scientific organic agriculture in northeastern region. So under this project, it will be a cluster-based approach. So we have 250 clusters across different states. So Nagaland also we have 20 clusters. So each cluster we have targeted 100 farmers. So it will be like a 2,000 organic certified farmers ecosystem. So all the produce which those farmers produce in their land, we are linked with the market, and this product will be certified organic. And along with all these activities will be digitalized in the form of apps, and we are also going to integrate some modern technologies like UAV and drone. So all the activities will be assessed temporarily, as well as for the entire management we have developed one digital portal. So all these activities will come in the form of digital architecture, so that the farmers will get benefit from other schemes in near future.
So basically it is huge opportunity for the people of Nagaland and especially for the farmers. As you mentioned, like 2,500 something farmers will be benefited from this project, which has been now inaugurated from today onwards. So what are the market plan strategy is being made for after the produced are made here to from the Indian market to international market, you can say global market?
Yes, actually organic farming, it has two scopes. One within the national market, and that program is called PGS, and another certification is called NPOP. If a farmer got NPOP certificate, he can sell his product outside India. So initially the clusters we have planned to transform to PGS so that they can get the national market. The national market also is a huge market, and those potential clusters where we see that this has future good potential, so those clusters in future course of time we will convert to NPOP.
I want one question, right, regarding the certification. And if it is about the farmers, they have to have the certificate to go with the national market to the global market. So who will provide that certificate? That's the confusion I want to clear.
Exactly. So under this project, we have hired few certification agencies. So the certification agencies, these are the nodal agency which are supported by NCONF. So they will collect all the information. They will do soil testing and other necessary assessment to ensure that no chemical have been used for a definite time frame, and based on that certificates will be issued. And now under this scheme, 4,000 farmers they already they have received the initial PGS Green certificate. Now they can use that PGS Green logo in their product and sell in the market as an organic.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Ida ami holode Mr. Dilo ase tai CEO the Entrepreneurs Associates laga thakade ajila project jun to ami han inauguration saise tai lakan laga organization laga bikinga key role ase tolo podibi janipo aro basically itu project pra ami han laga farmers ke aro ami han la state la manuan ke kinka benefit korobula ase tolo pod ekbar olo photauti kuru sabo. Thank you very much sir for your time. Apni time diya do. We're going to ask regarding what is the role that the Entrepreneur Associates is playing in the implementation of this project in Nagaland.
Thank you, sir. The government of India, through the Ministry of Donor and the Department of Nectar, has provided this common facility center to the Entrepreneurs Associates at New Tsumukidima District, Nagaland, to help the farmers turn waste into wealth from banana stems. Earlier, we did not know what to do with banana stems after we harvest bananas. And so normally we let it rot or throw it away. Now for a change, that banana stem will become a wealth, a value chain production, because we can turn the banana waste into banana fiber, and also we can make it into biofertilizer. And therefore, this is going to give not only income to farmers, this is going to provide employment opportunities not only to farmers, additional income not only to farmers, but huge employment to the youth. I believe that if these facilities do well, then we will be giving employment to at least 10, 15, or to even up to 20 people. If we can develop the finished product of banana fibers, we can give employment to hundreds of craftsmen. And so this is a huge opportunity, and the Entrepreneurs Associates, as the implementing agency for this program, is so thrilled to be associated with the Common Facility Center.
Okay, regarding the, as we know, the name is also like Common Facility Center. It means for the common people. So how you are the implementing agency on ground for this project. So you're going to interact with the youths, you're going to interact with the farmers, and also you're going to train them how to, at least the technical things also, and also how to extract the fiber from the banana stems, right? So what are the plans that has been already made, and how will the agency, proceed in future to, at least train at least 100 farmers instead to come and do their works here?
You see, the best part is this Common Facility Center, it's in New Mukadima village in the area of Kukidolon, Jona Panyi National Highway 29 area. And this is what has been earmarked as the Nagaki City, which is a plant city developed by the visionary leader, Mr. Nipurio, the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland. And for a new plant city, a modern city, we cannot plant a modern city without employment, without income, without industries and business. So I hope that this vision, where this is the second phase of the Nagaki City, where the first phase is the incubation center, but the second phase, which right now where we are standing, is the first phase after the incubation center, falls under the plant Nagaki City. And I believe even if government wants to give job to everybody, it is impossible for the government to give job to everybody. And therefore, not only the Entrepreneurs Associates, many other groups, many other companies, we are a non-profit society, but commercial companies should come forward to establish business plans like this Common Facility Center and train hundreds and thousands of people. If this facility can generate 100 jobs, then I believe we are actually taking part in the great vision of our Honorable Chief Minister and the state government to make a new plant city and create jobs and opportunities out of business activities like this small factory itself. So I hope we train not just hundreds of youths, but this will lead to chain of development. We want to have a handmade paper industry. We want to see if this can lead to mushroom growth. We want to see if the waste can be turned into, organic manure, like true vermicompost. And there are so many other things which, at the moment, we do not know, but the experts will know, and they will take this forward. And I hope this will give a new direction to the Naga new plant city.
Also, I heard about a leather which is called as the vegan leather or something like that, which will be extracted from the banana fiber itself also. Yes. And also, I heard about the candies being made out of the stems. How these things are going to happen actually. This is technical thing which we are also confused, and we, as you are trying to bring employment, we are also trying to connect you to the farmers out there in the state of Nagaland, in the Nokke corner of the villages around. So how are you going to get involved with them at the ground level? What is the plan?
There is so much opportunity, like the Director General of Nectar today mentioned. We can turn this banana product into so many other utility goods. And of course, they are right. We can make into like leather products. We can make T-shirts out of banana fibers. We can make handbags out of banana fibers. And there are a hell lot of other things that can be made out of it. We need engineers. We need young innovators to come and teach us, help us, and make use of what we have been earlier considering banana as a waste to now to a wealth product. So this is just a beginning. This is not an end by itself, but this is to show that we can actually make a number of wonderful products which we can sell it to the world. Our Naga people don't have the business mind as of now. For us, many of us look only at government jobs. But we need to begin to look at business opportunities. And I hope banana fiber extraction provides one outlet for that.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Idu takisha jila program jundu CFC Common Facilities Center hoine etiabra banana fiber extraction laga kam chulina jabo aro employment generate koro laga ekta kotha thaka debi ami han laga contribution jabole thakala bode janibo parise etu project ke fund kura do ami han jana the Ministry of Donor ase aro etu logode the Nectar jun tahan ra mili gine to ki implement kurubole ase ground level te etu implementing agency the entrepreneurs associates pra kinga gurne ko pra ki hobole ase kinga gurne etu surrounding villages nolibe alag alag jaga te tahan kinga reach out kurubo aro project la matlab aru dubra jinga materials kan extract kurina ase banana fiber bra ami han janibo parado not only fiber hule ki banao pare t-shirt khan bi parbo kushe shoes khan bi parbo kushe leather khan bi parbo kushe alag alag items khan jundu value added products ko ami han itu bra extract kurbo parbo ajibra keman sala ge dibi aru ami han laga stick dibi alag alag jaga dibi manuhan bishi pak jani thaka nai that banana fiber aro banana plant fra ami han kinga gurne to gas fra kinga gurne fiber extract kurubo pare but etela time de ami han jitia waste kuri daishe itu waste ke utilize kurine banana ga waste ke utilize kurine ami han bra fiber extract kurubo parebo aro itu garne itu bra ami han janibo para so pre important employment generate kurubo youth khan edebra self employed kurbo paribo tahan aro farmers specially 2500 farmers to ami hala state prahi instant edula project te contribution tahan laga aro apna gorde banana gas kan thagli bi waste nisna phela bole kam na iduke use kuri gine tahan lode ani ne sell kurna apni itu bra bi income lobo pare well generate kurbo parbo ar itu fiber bra ami hala laga state te fiber laga product value added service laga aro value added products laga ami han generation to dikhibo parbo itu CFC kote as gulibi amane dia apni han ke jonai shuguli do new chumukdigma village or adjoining to the national highway koki dolong junto ase itula samne dehi itu CFC gi aji integrate kurisha itu integrate kurabi Chanchan Kumar Jun secretary of donor ase taibra virtually itu ke integrate kurishu kone ami amani to janbo pare ase agi dibi itu laga service to community lo de kinka jabole ase aro especially tahan kwanishna itu bra ami han laga manu han ki improve hobo health ahibo training ahibo aro lifestyle tv changes kurubole aro bio laga hisab te ami han support kurne product khan banai taka debi agi debi kushi but aro addition de ami koi dibo the bio fertilizer idu pra ami han janu manures khan banai taka itu bi jundu waste itu pra fiber pra ekta bi waste kurubole noy sob usable asu koi ami han janibo pare ase itu nishna de tahan fiber bana demte fertilizer banabo tahan alag alag product generate kurubo parbo to ami han bidul opor de jiman farmers out of Nagaland dibi ase aro Nagaland dibi kam kurne taka de around Nagaland de ase apni la gode common manula gode bi mati bishi dagini bi apni la gode inka banana plant ase kuli to apni han waste kurubole kam nai itu gi ani kine itu CFC de digine apni han pra itu laga benefit belo parbo well generate kuru parbo itu pra etela manu khan jun well train kurine training logine takan fertilizers khan hobi noli fiber pra ki banawla ase takan itu te utilize kurubo parbo gene ami han chanbo pare ase itu apni han ki bi jonai dia ase gene enka khobor or news paidole sai de Nagaland TV moi reporter Musarraf Ali with my video journalist Pendang Sebanop Jaber
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.